When it comes to getting accurate, repeatable measurements from an LVDT or linear variable differential transformer, one of the most important components is the LVDT core extension rod. The LVDT core is the movable magnetic component inside the sensor that shifts in response to displacement. To connect that core to your application's moving part, an extension rod is used. The core extension rod is the mechanical link between the object being measured and the sensor's internal core. Selecting and installing the right core extension rod is critical for accuracy, durability, and long service life. A poorly chosen or improperly installed rod can lead to misalignment and side loading, friction or binding inside the sensor, or damaged cores or premature sensor wear. Extension rods should be made from non-ferromagnetic conductive materials, such as aluminum, brass, or 300 series stainless steel. Ferromagnetic materials like carbon steel can distort the sensor's magnetic field, leading to errors and reduced performance. Here are some of the best practices for working with LVDT extension rods. Ensure proper axial alignment so the core moves concentrically inside the bore. Keep the rod surface clean and free from corrosion or damage to avoid sticking or inaccurate readings. If the rod is bent, deformed, or modified, replacement and possible recalibration may be necessary. In summary, LVDT core extension rods are more than just a connector. They're a vital part of the measurement system. By choosing the right material, maintaining alignment, and following best practices, you'll ensure your LVDT delivers accurate, reliable results for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. For additional pricing and technical questions, visit us at hgsind.com. Harold G. Schaevitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business.